So let us start with series first. We have few more series only, few more examples that I have gathered, and today we will try out some later series, alphabetical series. Okay, which is alphabetical series is quite common in your government exams, bank POs, and this one MAT. Okay, alphabetical series. So first of all, please try out this one. 245. Wait, I'm writing it here. So series. We have 2, 4, 5, 9, 9, 16, 14, question mark, and 20. Did we do this series last day? Oh no, we did
25.
25. Okay. Wait, let me find the answer.
Yes, sir, it's 25.
Okay, yeah, you are right. So I think it was a common difference thing, right? So tell me, what was the trend that you followed?
So 2, 5, 9, and
Hmm.
14 are in one series, and the difference is increasing. Like the first was 3, then it increased to 5, and then no, the
Hmm.
first was 3, and then it increased to 4, and then it
Hmm.
increased to 5.
Hmm.
Okay, and then 4, 9, and 16 are in another
Okay,
series.
okay, yeah. We
4
did
and
this some.
9, the difference between 4 and 9 is 5.
Yeah,
The difference
right.
between 9 and 16 is 7. Then 16 plus 9 should be the next number.
Yes, yes. We did this series last year. I remember now. Okay, this one. Okay, Ishika, Shritama, we did this series last year. This was the last series that we did. Okay, if you check your copy, it is there. Okay, do this one. P R T V and then question mark, question mark. So whenever you have alphabetical series, please, for this you need to memorize the position numbers of the alphabets: A, B, C, D, F, G, H, like this. Try out this one. It's very simple, very simple. Once you gather the position of the alphabets, you can easily do it.
So can you please
Sir,
repeat the
W
question?
and Y is the answer.
Which one? Tell again.
X and Z, right?
What is your answer, Ishika?
Sir, W or Y?
No,
No,
X.
X or Z. Sorry,
X and
sorry,
Z,
X or
right.
Z.
See, P,
Hmm.
what is the position for P? 16. Position means I'm talking about this
16.
one. So A is 1, B is
Uh-huh.
2, C is 3, D is 4. So like this, P is 16, R is 18, okay, T is 20, okay, V is 22. If you see the difference, this is 2, this is 2, this is 2, okay. What about the next one? 24. What about the next one? 26, okay. So what will be 24? X, Y, and then Z. So answer is XZ. Understood, Shitama?
Yes, sir.
Ishika, and yeah, of course you understood. Okay, now next one. E, G, H, J, K, L, S, T, U, V. Can you please try this?
Sir, NOPQ.
N, O, P, Q. Right answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so others you get. So E is, position of E is 7, this is 7, 8, position of JKL is 10, 11, 12, okay. Here we have a question mark, and for S we have 19, 20, 21, 22. So if you see that there is a gap of 6, I mean 6 is missing, again 9 is missing, okay. So that means we are missing one number and then moving by certain numbers, okay. So 5, 6 removed, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13 removed, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 removed, 19, 20, 21, 22, okay. So what is 14? 14 is N, 15 is O, P, Q. So this is the answer.
Sir, can you please repeat once? I couldn't.
See, E is 5, position is 5, G is 7, H is 8, okay. J is 10, K is 11, L is 12, okay. And then in between there is a question mark, and then S is 19, T is 20, U is 21, V is 22, okay. So what are the what is the pattern that I am getting? 5, in between there is a space. What gap is there? 6. So we put 6, and then we have 7 and 8. Then 9 is not there. Then 10, 11, 12. Okay. Then what will be in middle? You see, after every number, this one number is missed. So that means after 12, 13 will be missed, and then 14, 15, 16, 17, and then 18 will be missed, and then 19, 20, 21, 22. So what is 14, 15, 16, 17? N, O, P, Q.
Sir, couldn't understand.
Okay. Okay. See, try to understand the pattern. So for E we have 5, right?
Yes,
For
sir.
G we have 7. For H we have 8, right? So you
Yes, sir.
see, in between 6 is not there. That means after
Yes.
5, the next number is skipped, and then we pick up two more numbers, 7 and 8. Again you see
Yes.
9 is skipped, 9 is dropped, and then 10, 11, 12. Then
Yes.
13 is dropped, and then 14, 15, 16, 17, right? I mean 13 after 12, 13 will be dropped only. Okay, so uh,
Then again 18 drop,
again
19,
18
20.
dropped,
Acha.
and then 19, 20, 21, 22. Now the question is, how did I understand that in between there will be 4 numbers? Because here we had 3, 10, 11, 12. How did we understand in between there were 4 numbers? That was with the help of the options. Okay, I didn't give the options over here, but in the options there were 4 alphabets. So from that I understood that there will be 4 numbers, not 3. So NOPQ.
Okay, sir. Understood.
Understood?
Yes,
Niladri?
sir.
Yes, sir, I've done, sir.
Okay. Okay. This is the pattern. You see the pattern from here, from this notepad. Okay. See, in this type of question, we did this type of question last year also, which was asked by Ishika. Okay, you will have sometimes a Z X X Z, sometimes you will have A B C C C C A A B D, like this. Now what is the best way to do this set? Do this type of sum? Okay, what is the best way? The process that I follow, I try out all the options. Okay, I try out all the options and try to find a pattern among them. That is the easiest way. So you see the first one, X Z X X X Z. So let me put it. So since I have, so what you will do, you will write down this same thing 4 times. Okay, since I have the advantage of using pen, so I will take advantage of that. Okay, X, and then X, and then Z, and then again X, X, and then X, Z. Okay, let me try out all of them. X, X, Z, Z, X, 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 sorry, mistake. X, Z, then X, then Z, Z, X. Okay, okay. Now let us see whether we can get in a pattern or not. If I see the first one, are we getting in a pattern? not exactly. I mean, we can take a deeper look, but instead of taking deeper look on into one pattern, into one series, let's move on to the next one. See if we can get, I mean, some pattern catches our eye or not. X Z X X X Z Z Z and then X. Okay, you see here it is starting with XZ, then 3x's, okay, then 4z, again 4x, 1z, not exactly. Here we have xz, then z x x z, okay, maybe we can take this, but z x z x, and then x x z x z x z is also not exactly. Let's see the last one, xz, okay, or we can take it in this way. If we see little deeply, x z z x x z z z x x x z z z. Can you see this? X is increasing by 1 and Z is also increasing by 1. Here Z remains constant. Okay.
So we can take the third example once, because see it's a alternate, like xz then zx then again xz then again zx, so it's coming in an alternate. X and z are alternating their position from first and second, like that.
Which one? Third one.
Yes sir, third one.
XZ ZX XZ ZX again ZX. What about this? And again XZ
Right.
XZ. But this one XZ XZ. That can also be a pattern. XZ ZX XZ. But this is
Yeah,
actually breaking
again
the rhythm again. Again, this is breaking the
yeah.
rhythm. Here XZ XZ is breaking the rhythm. If you see number 4, I found pattern in number 4. I found a rhythm in number 4. XZZ, XX, ZZZ, XXX, ZZZ. Right? First of all, X is there, then 2 Z's, then 2X, 3Z, and then 3X, 3Z. So the answer for this one is actually D. Because here we find a more clearer pattern, more clearer rhythm compared to the other three. Okay, all right. Is this clear? How to do this type of sum? So instead of xz it can be like this, abc, in terms of abc also, ab, abc, accb, like this. Okay, okay then. So here we can put an end to series. So next you can keep on practicing